Hi everybody, George from Corevist here. I'm going to show you how to upload a cart within Corevist Commerce. It's very easy and it can save you a lot of time, especially if you work with a purchasing system that outputs to CSV, or if it's just easier for you to build your orders in CSV using SKU numbers. So first off, we're going to look at the formatting of the file that you're going to upload. This is just a CSV. It's very simple. For each product, you need to provide an SKU number and a quantity. Those are required. You can provide an RDD, a requested delivery date, if you want to, but you don't have to. Back over to Corevist Commerce. So I'm on the home screen here, and I'm going to click Upload Cart. It's going to take me directly to the cart, and we're ready to upload a file. So click Browse. Here's our file, the order. And we're going to click Upload. And it's uploaded. A couple things to note here. The SKU number, RDD date, and the quantity are all directly from the file that we had prepared ahead of time. Now when you're in the cart here, you can change something before you place the order. Change the date on that one. Maybe we'll change the quantity as well. And you just click Update. And now you're ready to place your order. And it's really that easy.